Hello everyone, this is Nimish and today we are going to review the film Rustam starring Akshay Kumar, Ileana D'Cruz, Isha Gupta and Arjun Bajwa. I'm not going to get into the story because it is a suspenseful mystery and the basic plot line is whether Rustam is guilty or not guilty in a particular murder case. So let's begin with the review. On the acting front, Akshay Kumar has played this very strict, stiff Navy officer, and he has done his part naturally. There's no overacting or underacting. I think that is what was required of him to play that on point character, and that's what he has done. Ileana D'Cruz has acted pretty decently, except in one or two scenes where I thought she forgot the situation she's in and she completely became someone else. In a couple of scenes, I noticed that, and so her acting is average. Isha Gupta actually surprised me. She acted extremely well. In fact, in all her previous movies, I've been noticing that she acts pretty well, but this was amazing. She creeped you out. She's playing the kind of a villain, so she creeps you out and you kind of start hating her immediately from the time you see her, and that's how good she acted. And Arjun Bajwa also did a very decent role. His role was similar to that of Neil Nathan Mukesh or Arman Kohli in Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, so he reminded me of them because he's playing a vamp and he's playing that kind of a villainous character, so he was fine too. What I like most about this movie is the editing. The editing techniques, especially in the first half, are mind blowing. There are some scenes where you just can't make out where they've cut it, where they've started the next scene. There is a particular scene where the investigating officer, played by Pawan Malhotra, is investigating and asking questions to many of the suspects or many of the people involved in the case. And that shot is continuously going around his chamber, and you have no idea how they shot that shot. So that was crazy. I love the editing technique and a bunch of other editing techniques used in the first half, like the continuity of the shots. For example, if one person sits in one shot in one place, the next scene will immediately continue where he's sitting in another location. So this kind of continuity was maintained in the first half in a very unique way, which I really liked about the editing. The second half is basically the court case and the court proceedings about the story, which takes it forward as to whether he's guilty or not. And it's very interesting. And Sachin Khedekar comes in and plays a very important part in the second half. What I particularly did not like much about the second half is the over dramatization of some of the scenes where it felt like they are purposefully making it over the top melodramatic and kind of trying to make it a comedy and make you laugh because it's a very serious situation, but they want to entertain you and they want to entertain the masses. So it felt like a lot of these things have been purposefully put in, which actually spoiled the flow of the movie. And it could have been a very natural movie in a natural setting, but it often went over the top with some cheesy dialogues and cheesy scenes, like the whole court clapping again and again and supporting Rustam. It felt like they wanted you to support Rustam by making the people in the court support Rustam. So it was very forced and it was not required, I feel, but then that's what was done to keep the audiences entertained. Initially, Sachin Khedekar's character felt like he was overacting and doing the things over the top, but then you come to know that that's what his character is supposed to do. And since he's always been one of the best natural actors ever, that's what his role required. And so I wouldn't call it overacting, that's how his character was designed. So overall, this is a very thrilling movie. It is amongst the fourth top opening box office collections this year. And this is, I think, all of Akshay Kumar's movies this year have been in the top 10 box office collections. So I definitely recommend everyone to watch this movie. It is one of the better movies that have come this year. Amongst the best movies this year for me were Airlift, Wazir, Teen, Urta Punjab, and now Rustam. So these are the handful of movies this year which did something different and did something in a very entertaining way. And so I think everyone should watch Rustam. It's definitely one of the better movies this year, and for all the hype that it has created on Twitter and everywhere, it's been trending like crazy. For all that hype, it meets the hype and it entertains you thoroughly. It's extremely gripping. There's no point where you'll get bored, so definitely go and watch this movie. I hope you like this review of the film Rustam. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep watching.